Bitch, make them first and stay exotic.
Alright, what's up guys? So we just got to the car meet. I'm with Alan. Put it. What?
Do that shit again. Do that shit.
Nah. What's up guys? So we just got here to the car meet. We're over here with. Who we with?
Street Spec.
The owner of Street Specs. I'll put his link in the bio. But we pull up to the last Essence meet. It's fucking packed, dog. We had to bring out the Mustang. Looking ugly as fuck, and then we had to pull out the. Woo, that was sick. Sick as fuck. Oh yeah, I had to bring out both whips. You see what?
Did you lock it?
Shout out.
Lock it. They're gonna steal your purse.
They're gonna steal your shit. We have to cross the street. Fucking cars. We gonna get ran over, fool. Yeah, he gonna get ran over, bro. I'll choose my car over there, not gonna lie.
Huh?
I'll choose my car over there. Yeah, but this time there's security, I guess. Órale, vamos. Shit. Thank you. Finally made it to the meet. Ese sí me lleva. Packed ass car meet. Just all right here, go around. They hell bad. Nothing but crazy supercharged cars. Oh, nice. I like the wheels. I fuck with the wheels.
They're small, but they look good.
Hey, nice. I always drive. Right.
Give me like OBS and OBS.
Yeah, like the old Chevys. Yeah, they look sick as fuck. This house, dude, this shit's fucking packed, dude. A la verga, se metieron un pinche vivo, mira. Su pinche madre. Mira. Oh my god. Oh my god. Diablo. Ese es como tengo en mis pantalones, güey. Tácale. A su mecha, mira. A su mecha. Es bueno. Hello, got the bikes. Yo, can't go wrong with the bikes.
Finna go take your bitch for a ride. Big body whip when I put up my side. No destination, we just finna ride. Roll up a blunt.
You scared him.
I think bro got a little scared. He was like, oh shit. Oh, shit has a blow on it. Hey man, for the video. Sick. Man, that one nice. I fuck with the Coffin Hood right here. Right? Jesus Christ, right? Damn, this I was gonna get one, but I was like, nah, let me chill. Yeah, I was like, damn, bro.
That tax return hit?
Yeah.
Hey, low-key, I wouldn't mind getting ran over by that nigga.
He's gonna rip it, watch out. Pinche chino cochino. He got the big old 18-wheeler. A la verga, Rayo McQueen. Este es el más perro de todos, mira nomás. Esta tú no la tienes, mira. Sube. Mira, a la verga, mira, te trae el mundo de atrás.
Okay, I'm gonna do that whole time.
Nigga, I know that whole fart. Bentley in the bag. Damn. Damn, look at those. Do that again. That's gonna be my thumbnail. My thumbnail gonna be out like this. Oh, hey, gotta listen. Save the manuals.
That's right.
That's right, buddy. Can you get a little snack? Because it's thirsty and packed. ¿Una cervecita? ¿O no? ¿Una cervecita o no? ¿Una cervecita o qué?
Monstro.
Oh. To unleash the beast. ¿Cómo va?
Monster energy drink.
Bro, you're not sponsored by the red shit.
Yes, I am.
Oh shit. ¿Qué voy a agarrar yo? Este verga. Anda como el vato de que. Un Humex. Un Humex de manguito. Vámonos. Can never go wrong with the Humex, right? A la verga, mira, aquí están escondidos acá atrás. Sick, look at that. This right here, look.
Chile, we got 5 stars on this whole way.
For real. Look. Man, that one nice, huh? They were banging. That chinga? Sounds like the furnace. But they was sick as fuck. The wheel, the combo.
White on white. The Civic still gets it.
¡Echa eso! ¿Algo pasó ahí, Aira? ¿Vamos para allá o qué? Yeah. They're gonna tow this over because it's in the way. Mira, está todo, mira.
Personally, I would have just got there in the Civic.
What? You would have got there in the Civic? Damn, it's cooked. Right, dog got shut down. It's the last meet too, so. What the fuck, everybody? You trying to take everybody's shit? Ah, la neta sí, vamos a ver. Damn. Shit, my bad. Vamos a checar la verga, vamos. Ya que está parado todo. Dale, dale. They basically shut down the meet. There's like cops everywhere. Puro paisa. Ahorita va a salir el SWAT team. Everywhere. And it's not chicos, no. Dale, dale. ¿Cuál güero? ¿Eh? Trevor?
No, el otro.
Franklin?
Güero, güey.
Michael.
We call it. No,
Michael.
that you call.
Lester.
Lester.
And it's Adrian.
Call him Lester real quick.
Brother. We didn't have time to see everything. Well, we kind of did, but
I just want to check on the cars.
oh shit. Damn. Everybody pulling up over here. Everybody like, damn, they can tell when a whole bunch of shit. Look. Okay.
It's a show that cops.
Law and order? What? That's what you said.
The cops were like, what you gonna do when it comes?
That's it. That's what it's doing. Yeah. Ora. Hey. Hey. Hey, arréstalo. Man, they doing everything inside. Oh, este vato.
Oh, no, sí lo están saliendo. Están saliendo.
Oh, they're letting them leave. Get out, right? Yeah, they're taking them out of there. Right, because this car was over there, too. They're making them leave. Hey, they're all coming over here, too. Now we gotta go. That's how it's time to go. We finna get out of here. Huh?
Pretty nice experience.
Oh yeah. This is the last meeting they're gonna host. Damn.
I guess it's one to remember.
For real. Se acabó todo el show. Aquí les parqueamos enfrente de Juanita's salón. Shout out Juanita. So we gonna eat.
It's open, but they cut with the lights off.
Oh shit. Man, it's crazy. Well, we're gonna go eat. Where we going? Whataburger? I'm down for Whataburger.
Whataburger or something.
I'm down. We're gonna find something just far from here. Cause we're gonna get towed. We're gonna get towed.